In this video, you will learn a introduction to file in C. So, why we need a file? As we know that the different function like printf, scanf, get character and put character will take the data from user and will display or write onto the screen. But this data will be lost when we are going to close our program or when we are going to turn off our computer. So this problem invites the concept of data file, in which a data can be stored in a file, and the file will be stored on a disk. So whenever we want to read data once necessary, we can read from that file. So what is file? A file is a group of related data that is stored on the disk. So data file allow us to store the information and to access and alter the information whenever it's necessary. Also, C library provides different functions for creating and processing the data file. Now, there are two types of file. One is ASCII text file and second is binary file. So, normally a text file can be a stream of character that computer can process sequentially, okay, and it is processed only in forward direction. So normally when we have a textual data, we can store in text file. Okay, we can perform read, write, appending on a text file, but the data will be read in forward direction only. In binary file, we can store a data as a byte. Okay, so where we can store a data in a binary format also. Now, in order to read or write a data into stream or file, we the data will be flow from program to file or file to program, and this is done with the help of stream. Okay, so stream refers to the flow of data from one place to another place, that is from program to file. So there are two type of stream. One is text stream and second is binary stream. So it consists of the sequence of character. Okay, we can transfer the character from one place to another place with the help of text stream. Each line of the character in the stream terminated by a new line character. So text stream are used for textual data which has a consistent appearance from one environment to another, or we can say from one machine to another machine. So whenever we want to write a data into text file, we can use text stream. Okay. Second is binary stream. So it is a series of bytes. Okay, so byte streams are primarily used for non-textual data which is required to keep and extract the content of file. Now we are going to see some functions that is used for file processing. So first we are going to learn in details. So first is fopen, that will open a file, fclose, that will close the file, getc, that will read a character from file, putc, that will write a character to a file, fprintf, that will print or set of value will be write into file, fscanf, read the set of value from file. Same way, get w and put w, specific you want to read integer value, then you can use get w and put w. Same way you can use fseek, ftell and rewind in order to do a random access. Okay, normally file can be accessed in a sequential manner, but if you want to do a random access, we can do with the help of fseek, ftell and rewind. Okay, so we are going to learn these all function in details. Okay, so in next video we will start with opening and closing a file.